Massive news from Snapchat. So Snapchat is no longer going to give away $1 million per day to the Spotlight creators. Yes, that's a sad news. Before we jump into it and talk about what's next, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's talk about this. So Snapchat launched their TikTok's competitor called Spotlight. Very similar, short micro videos on Snapchat back in November of 2020. So it's been 6-7 months. But they were giving away, to bring more content creators on the platform, they were giving away $1 million per day to the top performing videos on Spotlight. If you got a piece of that money, congratulations. I created a lot of content, but I didn't make a lot of money on Spotlight. A lot of people who made content in November, December, January, they made a ton of money. And then recently, I think the payout has been lower from what I've been reading and talking to my creator friends. Now, here's the number that Snapchat released. So it launched in November, and so far they have paid $130 million to over 5,400 creators. That's a lot of money. And I believe they have over 125 million users on the consumers on the Spotlight feature. That's a lot of people in like just 5, 6, 7 months. But they are no longer going to pay that much money. Instead of that, here's the new language that Snapchat came out with, or their news. So they're no longer committing to $1 million payouts per day, and instead it's offering millions per month. So it used to be $30 million per month. Now it's going to be millions per month. So my guess is it's going to be lower. So that's kind of the sad news. But here's the thing. Should you stop creating content on Snapchat Spotlight? The answer is no, especially if your audience is on Snapchat. So if your audience for your business, for your brand is Gen Zs, younger people between like say 13 to 16 or 18, because a lot of people in that age range, they've spent a lot of time. I know a lot of friends of mine, they talk to all of their friends, their groups, the people that they communicate with, and they're all on Snapchat. They don't even have Facebook accounts, right? So the fact that Snapchat is giving, less money potentially, they haven't said how much, they're using the word millions, but I don't believe you should stop creating content on Snapchat Spotlight. I am going to continue. I haven't made a lot of money on Spotlight, but I'm going to continue. I only started using it last few weeks, maybe like 2-3 weeks, but I'm going to continue to use the Spotlight. I'm going to put some content in there, especially when you're able to repurpose. I'm able to repurpose a lot of my TikTok videos to Spotlight. But make sure if you do that, make sure you remove the watermark, right? Otherwise, Snapchat is not going to accept that. So that's a massive news. There are other news from Snapchat as well. There are going to be more ways to monetize the platform, monetize your content on Snapchat, but they're no longer offering $1 million per day payout. Instead of that, it's going to be millions per month. But again, going back to, should you stop creating content? In my opinion, if your audience is on Snapchat, you should not, because you can still, with your content, you can build your brand, build your business, attract your audience on that platform, even if you're making less money from that fund that Snapchat had. It used to be $30 million per month, but now it's potentially going to be lower than that. I'm going to continue creating content on Spotlight. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.